Guys, there's a combo here. This is a Devil's Fork Stutterford with a bit of tracer and banji, sweet white garlic floats, which is dipped in Stutterford, and banana bleeders. There's it here, guys. Throwing open spool as far as I can, and that's where we're getting our bites. Nice little bass here caught, Albert Falls. I'm gonna release him now. There's it, guys. Tevin's on with the fish in the net. Nice carp, guys. There's a nice run for you guys. Hey guys, there's it here. Slipway 4. It's quite a decent size. It gave me quite a fight. Looks quite healthy as well. There's it here, guys. We're gonna release him now, since we forgot the keep net. Okay guys, there's it here. This is carp number 2. Had another run just now. Unfortunately lost it in a stuck. But yeah, this is carp number 2, guys. Quite a nice mother carp. As I said, we don't have a keep net, so we have to put him straight back. Another one, guys. Okay guys, there's it here, another one. It's quite a nice carp. It's quite big as well. Caught open spool with the Devil's Fork and Stutterford dip. We're gonna put him back now.